Today, let's dive into test execution, a crucial part of making sure our software is top-notch. In simple terms, test execution is where we actually run our test cases to check if the software works as it should. It's like a quality checkpoint, ensuring everything behaves as expected. This phase is super important. It's where we catch defects, guarantee the software works well, and maintain the high quality we aim for. Now, let's connect test execution to the bigger picture of application lifecycle management, or ALM. Test execution doesn't work in isolation. It's a key player in the entire ALM process. Imagine it as a crucial thread weaving through requirements gathering, planning, tracking, and reporting. Test execution success depends on how well it syncs up with these other ALM phases. It's like a team effort, aligning with requirements, careful planning, tracking progress, and providing solid reports. Together, they create a well-coordinated symphony for the success of our software development journey. Join me as we explore how test execution dances in harmony with the ALM orchestra. Test execution is a bit like the engine room. It powers up the quality of our software. First off, we break it down into the key activities: test planning, test case design, test environment setup, and the real deal, test execution. It's not just about running tests. It's about carefully planning, designing effective test cases, and setting up the right environment for accurate testing. Now, let's explore some key concepts. Positive and negative testing. Positive is when we check if things work as they should. And the negative is when we intentionally check how the system handles unexpected situations. Another star player is regression testing. Think of it like a safety net, ensuring that changes to the software haven't unintentionally messed up existing functionalities. Why does test execution matter so much? Well, it's a superhero in software quality assurance. Effective test execution is our early warning system. It spots and fixes defects in the software before they can cause trouble. It's like catching glitches in the matrix, but for software. Moreover, test execution plays a starring role in making sure that the software doesn't just work but meets user requirements and function exactly as intended. It's all about delivering software that not only meets expectations but exceeds them. So join me as we unravel the intricate world of test execution, where planning meets precision, and each test brings us closer to delivering top-notch, flawless software. As the importance of regression testing during software changes. First step, log into ALM platform. Open your ALM platform and log in with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate the Test Execution module. Locate the Test Execution or Test Lab module within the ALM platform. Step 3. Select Test Plan. Choose the relevant test plan or test cycle that you want to execute. Step 4. View test cases. Within the selected test plan, view the test cases that need to be executed. These test cases should have been previously created during the test planning phase. Step 5. Assign test cases. Assign the test cases to yourself or the designated tester responsible for executing them. Step 6. Prepare test environment. Ensure that the test environment is set up correctly with the required configurations and data. Step 7. Execute test cases. Open each test case and execute it as per the defined steps. Enter test data and follow the instructions provided in the test case. Step 8. Record test results. Record the test results, indicating whether each step passed or failed. Step 9. Capture defects, if any. If a test case fails, capture and log a defect in the defect tracking module of the ALM platform. Step 10. Update test status. Update the overall test status for each executed test case, either passed, failed, or blocked. Step 11. Generate test execution reports. Utilize the reporting features of ALM platforms to generate test execution reports. This report can be used for tracking progress, identifying trends, and making data-driven decisions. Last step. Complete execution cycle. Once all test cases are executed, review the overall test execution summary and ensure that all the necessary data is captured. Let's unravel how test execution seamlessly connects with other key phases in Application Lifecycle Management, or ALM. First up, we ensure our test execution aligns with the requirement phase. It's like a puzzle. Our test cases fit perfectly with the specified functionalities, making sure nothing is overlooked. Moving on to the planning phase. Test execution plays a vital role in the grand scheme. We schedule tests thoughtfully and allocate resources efficiently. It's like orchestrating a well-timed performance where each test has its moment. And tracking. That's the heartbeat of test execution. By keeping tabs on test results, we gather valuable feedback for continuous improvement. It's not just about ticking boxes. It's about learning and growing from every test run. Why is the harmony between test execution and other ALM phases so crucial? Well, think of it as a recipe for success. A cohesive ALM approach with test execution at its core brings about better collaboration among teams, streamlines processes, and lifts the overall quality of our software. Imagine if one instrument played out of tune in an orchestra. It affects the entire performance. Similarly, changes in one ALM phase ripple through others. That's why coordination across the whole ALM spectrum is key. It's like ensuring everyone is on the same page, working together towards a symphony of success in our software development journey. Thank you for watching.